How to add stickers and text in Meitu. First of all, open the Meitu app and tap on the photo section on the main screen. Select a photo you want to edit from your gallery or camera roll. Once your photo opens in the editing interface, tap on the stickers option to browse through a wide collection of animated and static stickers. Choose a sticker you like, resize it, rotate it, and place it anywhere on your photo. Next, tap on the text option to add custom text. Type your message, then customize the font style, size, color, alignment, and effects to match your design. Using stickers and text in Meitu allows you to create fun edit, social media posts, memes, and personalized images. After finishing your edits, save your photo in high quality. Now you know how to add stickers and text in Meitu. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.